Welcome to
Good morning, traders. We're back with another New York session. Every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 Watt. Well, now it's 12:30. It was 1:30 before, but daylight savings time. Now we're rocking with 12:30, and for my West Africans out there. Yeah, let's have a valuable one. Let's have a profitable one. Yeah. Cool. How was everybody's weekend? Hope everyone had a good weekend. I hope somebody held Bitcoin over the weekend, because Lord have mercy, we've been driving up, huh? Yeah, it looks like the video I watched, I remember I was talking about there was a trader on what is it, I forget his name, the podcast guy, Words of Wisdom. He was talking about how the market moves in cycles, and the Bitcoin rally is just the first cycle, and around, well, to be fair, let me see, I think I have it in my notes. When did he say we would expect break out of the range? Nope. Okay, and yeah, I think I misplaced that on my notes. I don't quite remember when he said when he said we would expect a sort of a trend reversal or the major pullback. after basically engaging these many traders, right? Because a lot of people are in buys right now. A lot of people are in buys. I believe some people, so we got to this resistance where this is all-time highs, right? So we got to this resistance. Some people probably took profits out right here, you know? Yeah, so some people probably took profits out at all-time highs. In terms of continuation, I couldn't tell you, man. I mean, weekly just opened up. This is a beautiful candle for the weekly, right? Came down bottom wick, broke the highs. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you've been holding Bitcoin, hey, congratulations. But yeah, that's just by the way, that's an aside. Let's get into our bread and butter for the day. Let's get into our daily bread. Let's get it. Speaking of daily bread, give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. I'm back. And I had to say a little prayer, you know what I mean? A little bit of a prayer. Got the stream started off right. All right, okay. Okay. All right, enough of Bitcoin. Let's get into our bread and butter. Okay, GJ. Hey, so far in the monthly, right? We're 11 days into the 11 days. Time moves crazy. We're 11 days into the monthly. Okay, hold on another second, chat. How do I highlight video at stream marker? So what does that do? Unable to add stream marker. Send feedback. Yeah, bugging. It is what it is. I'm trying to figure out how to add basically add timestamps as I go, but I think I'll just do that in post, huh? Yeah, I might just have to. Okay, let's get into the analysis. Okay, so on the monthly, first thing we did for the monthly was come up here and create this top wick, and then we flipped. We created the top wick, but we never took the highs. Yeah, so I mean, if you can remember, we've been targeting these areas as potential point of rejection, right, for price to continue moving back up. So now we've tapped into these areas, right? So now we should see what direction price actually wants to start moving it. If we continue pushing down here, we're most likely gonna tap at least to the bottom of this range. But if we start rejecting heavily from this level on the lower time frame, we should be able to get an entry to get the buys moving up and continue on the bullish movement. But yeah, that needs to play out here though. That's just the current outlook for the monthly, right? The weekly is still very bearish. Last week closed bearish as well. I think I was looking for this candle, so last week's candle, to close somewhere inside this level, right? Somewhere inside this range, respecting this level. Yeah, that would have been better confirmations for the move up. But again, beginning of this week, right? So this was Asian session, right? So Asian session, London session, we were able to come down and tap into this level immediately. So we don't really have much of a top wick, but we've tapped into this level and we've taken these lows. We've taken out these lows. So at any point here, this whole candle could flip and then we start moving back up, right? So keep that in mind. But we are bearish, right? We've had all these bearish closures, so we can't just disregard all this bearish momentum, right? Even though we are looking for the buys, eventually we are looking for the buys, but we need to keep in mind current momentum is bearish, heavily bearish. All right, so daily, these are our daily zones, or our daily levels. All right, we have a daily right there. So consider that resistance, perhaps this support as well. Yeah, I'll hold this as my levels for now, but I'm still understanding this to be a level as well, potentially. So we did close below this, but we respected this one overall. All right, yeah, so I'll have those as my, actually, let me see something. Daily. Let me see the rejections off of here in the past. Okay, so okay, we have a rejection. So this level has held as rejection previously. This level has held as support as well. Okay, yeah, so I'll leave these as my levels for now, and then see how price reacts off these levels. Okay, 4 hour, well, support, yeah, support right there. I'd say, yeah, I'd consider this resistance, and mayhaps the whole, yeah, I'll consider the whole thing. All right, yeah, so that's resistance. Yeah, resistance. Cool. So those are my levels. Those are my levels on the 4 hour as well. See the hourly. We closed above. Oh yeah, we did close above. So that would be a level. So we closed above. So range 2 buys. Right, so buys would be up there, and then sells, target for sells around these areas. Well, I mean, yeah, these are the levels, but we'll see how price forms there. We'll see. I mean, if we have this candle closing above as well, closing bullish as well, then yeah, for sure I'll break back into this range. I mean, we need a top wick, but we could still play this range as well, right? We might kill the whole range, to be honest. If we're gonna come down like that, we might kill the whole range, but we could still get a decent close inside the range, and we can capitalize off that as well. Let me see, let me reduce this range actually. So range 2s, I would consider this. Yeah, I'd consider that. All right, because now we're broken it out of this range, and then yeah, so range 2s, I would consider that right there. Consider that right there. See the hourly. 30. Yeah, multiple rejections off of there. Cool. Yeah, so my levels are pretty straightforward. Just a matter of how is price gonna form around these levels now. We shall see. It's a little risky to consider this level as well as opposed to this one. I won't lie, but yeah, truth be told, if we break above this, I mean, how many pips is this? 12 pips? Yeah, we'll see how that develops, but I'll just have the level here for now. Just or actually I'll have the overall level there. Yeah, that's the hourly, right? Yeah, so I'll have the overall level there, but buys potentially at the break of these highs. Potentially. Yeah, but I need a very good bottom wick. I'd probably need to tap back into these areas right here and then flip. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's pretty much it on GJ. That's pretty much it on GJ. Let's move into gold. What we saying on gold? Consolidating like I like. Kiluke. I like that we are consolidating. So again, higher time frame analysis on gold, pretty straightforward. All right, it's buys. All right, we're buying. We are buying. Current all-time highs. So we tapped into 2200 there. Tapped into 2200. I'm just gonna have that as a level, just because. So daily bullish, week 4-hour bullish. We actually closed below this 4-hour range. Interesting. This is today, right? Yeah, this is Asian, or this is London session. Closed below previous support. Okay, interesting close. It looks like we closed below and we might close respect. So we might see, there might be some room for potential sells, potentially. All right, range 2. And in terms of buys, what we saying? Oh yeah, pretty. So they look so nice, right? The ranges look so nice, but we just know with the way gold moves, it's not gonna form nicely. All right, it's not gonna be the best formation, but they look really good. The ranges look good. Now price action just needs to, if price action can look a fraction as good as the levels look, yeah, we should have some good trades today. Sooner rather than later. Is always it's always not expected. It's always appreciated. Nope, that's not the word I'm looking for. It's always preferred. There you go. Sooner rather than later is always preferred. Okay. 15-minute closing for sure. I'm not getting anything off of that. Yeah, no doubt. Cool. All right, let's look at news. Let's see what news is saying. I'll make a prediction right now. There's only one news on the dollar, and it's orange folder. That's my prediction. Oh, there's no news at all. Crazy. High impact news on Aussie dollar, 730 for anybody trading Asian. Yeah. All right, let's look at the whole week actually. Okay, so tomorrow there's news. We got CPI tomorrow. CPI Tuesday. Cool. CPI Tuesday, and then that goes into the pound news as well at 2. I'll probably try and wake up for that too. Let me see. Yeah, I'll probably try and wake up for the pound news on Wednesday. So Wednesday, no news, huh? That's a yellow folder. So Wednesday, no news. CPI retail sales on Thursday. It's Thursday or Friday? Thursday, right? Yep, Thursday. And then Friday we have one thing right there. Okay, so we have heavy news days on Was it Tuesday and Thursday? Yeah, Tuesday and Thursday. Yeah, heavy news on Tuesday and Thursday. Not much Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but just because there's no news doesn't mean there are no entries. As a wise man once said. I'm not sure who that wise man was, but he said it. He once said it. Okay, let's see what we can get here. Let's see what we can get here. Okay. YouTube shorts. I'm trying to make some YouTube shorts out of the trades. Or I highly doubt I'm gonna go back and find the all 10 wins, all 10 trades, but I mean, for the sake, oh, my fault, just stretching. For the sake of advertisement, I'll only make shorts on the wins, right? Because I don't think once I have like, if I have like 20 shorts of just wins, then I'll start including the losses, you know. But if you want to catch the losses, they're gonna have to tune into the live. They want to catch the losses, they're gonna have to tune into the live. Okay, let me see. YouTube shorts, huh? So I could just get, okay. Really, I could just get, so I'll get the video, chop it up, and then just put some music over it or something. How long is a YouTube short anyways? Short length 60 seconds. Word. Okay then, 60 seconds. Okay, that might not be enough time. I could speed up the audio though. Yeah, that's true. Or no, but then I'm probably won't be able to, I won't really be not audible. I won't be understandable. Is that the word? Yeah. I won't be very articulate or comprehensive. Oh, look at that. Big words today, man. I won't be very comprehensible. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Just to start with, I'll probably just, you know, get the trade. I'll do like, I'll put in a clip of the entry. You know, put maybe a soundtrack, like, you know, put something like a soundtrack or a sound effect, and then I'll cut to the trade playing out. Whoa. The soundtrack just went Arabian Nights on us. Nice. I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it. Okay. Yeah, that's all stuff I'm gonna have to do off stream, right? I just talking to myself. Okay, yeah, so 8 o'clock about to roll up on us. 8 o'clock is about to roll up on us. Let's see how we close here. Hey, yeah. Let's see how we close. Yeah, a lot of times the cleaner the ranges, the greater the chances we're gonna range. If you think as of the range as, you know, like a house or a bed or something, the more comfortable the bed, the more you're likely to stay in it, right? So I think of it as the same way for price. Yellow, what does that mean? I just gotta bomba class. Okay. So we waiting. We are waiting here. So what strategy do I use? So simply the strategy is based off of, it's just price action, right? It's identifying levels using multiple time frames to identify key levels, right, where price would tend to drive one way or the other, right, in terms of when we break out of the levels, right? Hold up, let me say that again. So the strategy is based off of price action, which is just identify using multiple time frames. So you have your higher time frames, your monthly, weeklies, 4 hour, you know, hourly, 30-minute, right? Higher time frames I would consider from like the monthly to about the 4 hour, right? And I'd say intermediary time frame would be hourly, and then lower time frames like 30, 15, 5, right? I mean, that how you balance those out is really up to you and the way you trade, but for the most part, you have higher time frames and then you have the lower time frames, right? You use every single one. You want to get a beat on price, you want to get on an outlook, a story forming, right, from each different time frame. You want to see what each time frame is saying in regard to what price wants to do, right? Which is why every morning we do the whole breakdown from the monthly, right? So we understand that we're not too concerned about the monthly in terms of the trade we're gonna take today, right? But you want to come into the markets knowing seeing the whole with a holistic I was about to say a holistic view, but I don't think I'm using that word correctly. But yeah, you want to see the market from well, it's not holistic. Is holistic the word? Holistic. What does holistic mean? Variant spelling of, and parts of some are incorrect and can be explained only by reference to the whole. Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? Yeah. So you wanna have a comprehensive view. There you go. You wanna have a comprehensive view of what price is trying to say, right? So if you go to the monthly, you want to be like, okay, so the monthly is saying we're moving up, right? The monthly is saying we're moving up, right? What's the weekly telling us? The weekly is telling us, okay, we're moving up. Okay, the daily, what's it? How did the previous daily close? So the previous daily close rejecting off of a resistance, right? We held resistance, but we are still pushing bullish, right? So what can I expect today to do if the monthly is bullish, the weekly is bullish, right? So I'm expecting price to continue bullish. The daily also closed bullish, but we respected a resistance, right? That now what that's telling me is I should expect price to pull back today, right? Most likely to pull back during the day, right? And then continue that push, moving up, right? Either to retest that resistance again, and then maybe if it doesn't have enough volume or liquidity to continue up, come back down into the range, right? Or just break through and continue to push up, right? So that's really all what price action is, right? You're looking at different time frames, right, in order to find key levels where price is gonna make a decision, right? You're just finding key levels where price is going to make a decision, right? And then when you couple those levels, right, when you couple the identification of those levels with like a comprehensive view, or with the understanding of what price is currently saying, like what the candles are currently trying to convey, then you have your strategy. Right? Because now I know, okay, once we get to this level, something is gonna happen, right? What is gonna happen? The candles are gonna tell me what's gonna happen, right? The candles should give you a story, right? And the story I have right now is we are consolidating. That is the current story. That is the current story. Okay, so GJ. So we had an hourly closer here. This GJ candle closed bullish as well, so that's cool. Most likely, but I don't want to just say most likely just for the sake of it, but looking at how things are looking, if I was a betting man, I would say GJ is gonna come up here and tap this level minimum, right? But I am not a betting man. Price hasn't really told us that's what's gonna happen. I'm just speculating that based off of similar moves or similar closures I've seen in the past, right? So yeah, nothing quite yet. It's 8 o'clock New York open. It's a Monday as well, so again, I probably should stop saying that because it doesn't matter. Monday, Friday, does not matter. Does not matter. If there's gonna be volume, there's gonna be volume. If there's gonna be entries, there's gonna be entries. The day of the week is irrelevant. It is relevant to your psychology though, but overall it's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. Bomba clock. Yeah, that's beyond foul. What did Michael Jackson say? If you want to make the world. Okay. There goes the dreaded Sunday, March 10th. Oh, bugging. So I do have. Wait, when is that? So that's tomorrow? Cool. Cool. Julio. All right, that's doable. And not much going on right now. Oh yeah, I gotta go pick that up. Ooh. Yeah, we're seeing a little bit of volume. Well, it's not really volume, just a little bit of movement. And not much going on. It's really quiet. To be expected though, There's no news. If we moved significantly during London, I would say today is probably gonna be a range day for sure. But we didn't really do much in London. We just ranged during London, so gold could still give us something here, right? GJ might range. Because we did move. Yeah, we did move in London. We had some sales in London. Not much of a movement, but still movement. Still movement. Go GJ. Yeah, let's see how we close here. Let me see what else. So I currently have at least 15 videos up, right? At least 15. And I have trades. Okay, so yeah, I'll see if I can get at least one, if I can get one short done today. But I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. Can't be that hard. At least for an average quality short. I reckon it's just you have the video, get an app, edit, cut some stuff, put some audio here and there, and you're good to go. Okay, so we waiting on the 15 here. Yeah, see, might be a slow day. It's possible it's gonna be a slow day. Possible. This 4 hour could flip on GJ, close bearish. We could continue to move down as well. That's a possibility. Because if we come down on this hourly and we close bearish below this level, yeah, we should be good to drive down. But right now, this is looking more like a bottom wick. But we'll see. Time will tell. Que lo que. I don't know why I keep saying que lo que after. Pretty sure que lo que means like what's up or something, right? Lol. I should get a TikTok. I'm pretty sure I have a TikTok. Pretty sure I got a TikTok somewhere. I think I'm gonna start sharing my screen with y'all, because y'all need to know why I'm laughing. This is crazy. Oh, they had a what's this, Oscars or Golden Globe or something? Best actor in a supporting role. John F. No. It's my fault. Robert Downey Jr. What's that? Golden Globes? What award show did they just have? Yeah, definitely not Golden Globes. Award show. Let me see. It's Oscars. Oscars. I don't even. I really don't keep track with these things. Really could care less. But we killing time. 15-minute close approaching. Best Picture Oppenheimer. Bro, old boy should have won. Who is this? Oh hell yeah. Well deserved, bro. I don't know about Best Picture being Oppenheimer, but Best Actor being the dude, Cillian Murphy, that played Oppenheimer. Yeah, I agree. 100%. 100%. 100%. Oh boy, is mans can act for mans can act, bro. Mans can act. Mans can act. What's this? From the motion picture Barbie. Billie Eilish. Yeah, that's enough of that. That's cool. You know? Yeah. Favex. I go join Nollywood, man. Favex. If I don't get a trade today, I will join Nollywood because I can act, man. I'm choosing this life, you know? Choosing the life of a day trader. Just for the good of the people. You know, if I'm acting, I can make millions, billions of dollars immediately. But you know, I'm not in it for the money. I'm in it for the benefit of the human race. You know, for the benefit of mankind. Heal the world, make it a better place. Yo, all these Nigeria US crossovers that are happening right now is crazy. You got Kai in Nigeria, you got Tao in the US. Yeah, respect. Yeah, I respect Shorty still. Okay, so yeah, with this forming, most likely we're gonna see the top of this range. I just hope this isn't the move, to be honest, because if this is the move, I'm gonna miss it, right? Because there's no entry off of that. It's just speculation. I really don't want any buys until we close above this level as well. But if this buys to here is gonna be the whole move, yeah, it's wraps. Let's have it. Bones Highlands Jones. Yeah, that boy nice. That boy nice. Yeah, there you go. So flipped on that candle. Yeah, I mean, I don't have any entries. Plus, this candle has 15, has no bottom wick. I really don't have any entries until minimum a closure above here, man. Minimum a 30 close above here. And even after that, I need, because I mean, how many? It's a 9 pip range. I'll need a decent bottom wick to take those buys up. So gold doing its thing as well. I'm a little tired today. What is this? Hey, nah. Hey, yo, fam. Yeah, as jokes. They out here doing jujutsu hand signs, man. What is this? Yeah, it's gone. It is gone. I just saw. Well, that's irrelevant, I guess. Never mind. All right, back into it. 820. At 20 just pulled up. Yeah, I really wish dollar was doing, or gold was doing more right now. Hey, asking you shall receive, huh? Okay. As soon as I said it. There you go, gold. We like to see that. We like to see that. I'm up. I'm up now. YouTube. El Mao. Yo. Ran into a brick wall. Guess I didn't ask hard enough, huh? What is this? Bruh. You know what's nasty work? You know, what are these called? Hornets? Yeah, the not hornet keepers, I guess exterminators, hornet exterminators. They wear the suits. They wear the little hazmat joints. And you just go round them up. Yeah, that's you have to be confident in your equipment, bro. Because if that suit goes, haha, yeah, it's wraps for you. It's wraps for you. This is almost, the dude got stung though. He got stung on that. Yeah, I'm bugging. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god. Yeah, it's tough. Okay. All right. So it's a little quiet. It's a little quiet. Let's see what 830 does for us here. Yeah, so we could get this bullish 30 closer here, but yeah, I'm gonna need a good bottom wick. I'm going to need a very decent bottom wick if I am to take this 30. Coffee. Oh, we got coffee drinkers in the chat. Ooh, some action. Yeah, I might just. Whoa, what is this? Oh, that's a chair. Okay. Cool. I was seeing somebody dance. It looked like they were floating, but it's just it's a transparent chair. That was a sick move though. Yeah, let me just put waiting on a trade. waiting on, I guess, 30-minute close, right? I'm still here though. I'm not away from the keyboard, just in case I'm quiet. We're waiting on a 30-minute close. Yeah, I know what's about to happen. Oh, never mind. Hey, yo. $47 seconds left. Ha ha ha. Yeah, nah, y'all bugging, bro. Y'all be bugging. Nah, chill out, bro. I'm out here looking too. Nah. Okay, so 30 minutes. 30-minute close. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, yo, bomba. Yeah, we most likely are gonna see this level get tapped into. The worst thing that can happen here is we tap into the level and reject, because most likely, even if we're gonna get an entry, it's gonna be, well, it's gonna be off stream, because it's probably gonna come after the 4-hour close, right? I mean, well, I guess regardless, at this point, it's gonna come after the 4-hour close, to be honest. But it doesn't matter of, is it gonna be an immediate entry, or are we gonna see a little bit of a? I mean, if it's buys, for sure, it's not immediate, because if it's buys, we need a bottom wick to continue to move up. Yeah, if this candle can flip, if we can come up here, break these highs on the 30, and then we sort of close bearish here, right? This whole candle closes bearish below here. I could have entries off, yeah, off rip. I could have sell entries off rip, to be honest, but yeah, right now price is forming. Price is just forming. Price is just forming right now. Let's see gold. Yeah, gold doing a whole lot of nothing as well, just currently consolidating. Consolidation right now. Yeah. Yeah, man. Fun stuff, huh? Fun stuff. Yeah, if gold can flip on the 4-hour as well, right? That flip, if that coincides with a break of this level as well, we could see decent sales going down. We could see some decent sales going to the downside. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna wait for the 15-minute here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's not looking too too good for entries before 9 o'clock though. So yeah, let's see though. Let's see. And if you're in the stream, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe. We do this 7:30 a.m. Eastern every day. Whoa, 12:30 p.m. West African time as well. Leave a like, subscribe, tell your friends. We catch pips over here. You know, we catch pips over here. We do this. We do this. Yeah, man's got spooked. Man's got spooked. Bump it louder. $25 for this. Yo. Bro, what? What is this? That's not very halal. Okay, so let's see here. Whoa. Yeah, my eyes 30, 15. got nothing going on, man. What? Got nothing going on. Man, them probably. Let me see if the man them are alive. Man, I'm probably. I'm gonna hop off in a little bit here, so guess it doesn't matter. Guess it doesn't matter. Okay. 15 closing in about 6 minutes. Now we've created a bottom wick for the previous 15. And we never closed above regardless, so if this 30 closed above here, then I would have to use my brain cells and think. But since we closed below, it's a no-no. That's a no-go area. Straight up ranging. Let's see if we can have something happen here. All right, 5 minutes left for the 15 close. I want this 15 candle, even if we don't, you know, close above a level. Let this 15 candle have some semblance of volume. That would be nice. Ooh, okay, looks like we have some volume. Looks like we got some volume here. Well, spoke to some. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's Ramadan? Did Ramadan start already or not? It's today, no? Yeah, that was yesterday, huh? Nice. Damn. Ah, man. Oh. Two minutes. 740, huh? That's peak. That's peak, dog. I had a whole 2 people in here. Yeah, I'm nice. I'm nice. Oh, my fault. My fault, chat. My fault, chat. Wait, what just popped up? Oh, okay. I thought I divulged some windows, some open tabs. Some tabs I got open. Imagine. Okay, so 1 minute here. 2. Yeah, GJ is sort of doing what I expected, but no entry. If the 15-minute closes above, I mean, it's very likely we tap into that level, right? It's very likely we tap into 188.7. But I mean, I need an entry though, and an entry would be possible. I mean, let's close above first. First and foremost, let's close above, and then we can start discussing entries. Yeah, gold is gonna come back and do nothing. So Comex open, didn't do much. Yeah, GJ rejected as well. Oof. Okay, so 15 minutes. So I tell you what, I'm gonna be back. Okay. 15. Well, I guess it's the hourly closure as well, right? Actually, wait, hold up a minute. Hold up 1 second. Wait a minute. Okay. So this is the 15, right? It's the 15, but the 30 never closed above. Yeah, nah. Yeah, with the way the 15 is currently forming, and well, because this is a level on the 15 as well, so yeah, nah, I got nothing quite yet. So that's gonna be 9 o'clock trade minimum a 9 o'clock trade, but whether I'm gonna stay, I'll stay like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes after the closure, and then yeah, then we'll decide what I want from there. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. Close. Yeesh. Yeah, so I shall be back. back. No, I lied. We're not back. 1 second. Okay, we back. We back. All right, 3 minutes for the hour close. See if this 4 hour is going to flip here. See gold. Also gold did move, right? Or no? No. Gold didn't really move. At least on the hourly it didn't. On the 4 hour, this looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, this looks really good on the 4 hour, but yeah, there aren't really much levels to go off of here. This isn't it looks really clean on the 4, but in reality it's not. It's really not. Closer below here minimum for sales. Minimum. See the 5. Yeah, because I mean, I guess you could close below here and sell off on the 5. All right, sell off on the 5. How many pips is this? 18 pips. So that's still decent, but 15, 30. Yeah, let's see how we close here. 4 hour hourly. Yeah, ideally if we can get this GJ close below the level, that would be nice. That would be nice. My G, how fun? Hey, it's daylight savings time now, bro. So the stream is gonna be 12:30 your time now. It's gonna be 12:30 watts. So I go soon sign off here, Shabbat. Appreciate the love. Almost 2. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it's I'm 5 hours behind now. I'm not 6 hours anymore. So the stream is now going to be 12 your time. Nah. Yeah, 12. Yeah, the start, yeah. The starting time is gonna start at 12 your time. Okay, so 4 hour close. So we like the 4 hour close. We like the 4 hour close on GJ. Not too much of a fan of the hourly close though. Yeah, but the fact that we came down, we do have a bottom wick on that previous candle. Let me see. So that's a daily level, right? Yeah, that's a daily level. Okay, so that's interesting. If we were not at a daily level, I would have sold off the pullback, right? I would have sold pretty much. Well, if we tapped into this area, I would have sold. But because we're rejecting a daily level, right? Wait, let me see. I mean, it's a daily level, but it's I could push this up, to be honest. To be honest with you, I'm lost in the sauce. Okay, so because we already tapped that daily level, so we're gonna continue coming back down now. Okay, 4 hour hourly. Yeah, I wish we closed below here, man. That would have been nice. That would have been nice, because then I have the hourly level over here. Well, it's a 30 level, but it's probably coincides with the hourly as well. Oh shit. I tell you what. If we get a tap into let me see. If we get a tap into this area, if we get a tap into 188.38, yeah, a tap into 188.38, I will I'll either, I'm thinking, do I want the flip or the wick entry? Let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for a tap. I'm gonna wait for a tap into this level. If we tap into that level, I'll probably sell at that level, to be honest. I'm just trying to play the probabilities here. This is a weekly level as well, huh? Yeah. Okay, yeah, no. I'm not gonna sell at the level. I'll wait for the flip. I understand you have, I understand you have more of a vantage point if you sell up here, right? If you sell up here and then coming down, right, this would be at least 10 pips at least, so well 8 pips, so that's still good, right? And then 10 pips you could, you know, go break even, close full, well, not close full, but you could close partials. But if I wish this candle closed below. If this candle closed below, it would have been solid. We would have been solid, but yeah, nah. Okay, so I mean, gold is in a similar position as GJ, where the sales look decent, but once you zoom in or zoom out, right, things get a little hazy. Yeah, nah, I don't see anything on gold, man. Yeah, GJ flipping now. We might drive on GJ, at least minimum we might get here, right? But I don't like the fact that we never tapped into this, right? So I'll stay here for the first 15-minute close. Let's see how the 15 closes. Now that we've made the top wick, I would have preferred if we tapped into 188.383, but now that we've made a top wick, if we close below the level on the 15, well, is this a level? Yeah, so if we close below this level with the 15-minute closure, I would still wait for a top wick, to be honest with you. I'd still wait for a top wick and then take the sells, but let's see how this plays out. So I'm gonna stay here for the next 15 and then I'll be out. Okay, so let me yeah, my fault, chat. I'm just looking at the I'm just looking at the trade here, and yeah, this could drive. This could drive, but because if we're just isolating the 4 hour, the 4 hour looks beautiful, right? The 4 hour looks gorgeous. 4 hour looks gorgeous, but then you realize, okay, we tapped into a, well, it's not even a daily, it's a weekly level. We tapped into a weekly level, sort of a daily level. The previous hourly, I mean, if we're gonna drive up here off this level, if this level is gonna respect, I doubt we would have come back. We wouldn't have come back like this. That candle, no bottom wick, hourly would have kept on going up, right? So that's why I'm playing the 15-minute right now, right? Because I can't sell at a support. That makes no sense. So well, yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. If the 15 closes below, I'll be in there. Okay, let's see where we at. Where we at? Minute left. Cool. Minute left. Let's see what we can get here. Ain't this the Macklemore song? Hey, remember when Macklemore was like the guy? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so 15 gonna close respecting, right? Yeah, 15 gonna close respecting. I'll tell you what right now. I'm gonna hop off here, but this is what I'm gonna be looking for. What I'm gonna be looking for is, if this 15 respects, I'm looking for the next 15 to come up. All right, come up here. I mean, if we come up no bottom wick, all right, actually let me see how we open. Okay, cool, we have a bottom wick. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to come up here and break these highs. We need to take out these highs. If we take out these highs and then we flip on the 15, I'll take the bias going down. All right, if we break the highs on the 15, so that's basically the 30 flipping all the way bullish, tapping into our level 188.38. Then we come back and we flip. I'll have a sell from the break of these lows, right, which is the 4-hour lows as well. All right, I believe it's the 4-hour lows as well. All right, so what we're looking for here is come up, tap here, come back here. All right, this is where we take our entries, and then our TPs are somewhere around there. All right, so this would be our entry over here. All right, we have our entry there, so this would be how many pips? This would be about 12 pips minimum, or at least for break even. And then in terms of stop loss, you would be looking at previous 4-hour highs, I reckon. All right, yeah, minimum, yeah, previous 4-hour highs, right? So yeah, this is what I'm looking for. This is the trade I'm gonna be looking for. I'm gonna be looking for that off stream though. I'm about to hop off, because yeah, because we could just drive now, and then as soon as we drive, it's like, then I'm waiting for the 30-minute close and all of that. Yeah, I would prefer not to be in there. So yeah, so that's one scenario. And then the second scenario is we wait for this 30-minute to close. This 30-minute closes below this level, wait for a top wick, and then you can take your sells as well. All right, but now we've broken this 4-hour lows again. I mean, hey, if we're not gonna drive now, most likely we're gonna stay in this range, see this level get tapped regardless, and then make a decision. But yeah, we'll see what happens, right? In terms of gold consolidating still. So yeah, you really want to come get out of this range first before you're making any decisions, right? So either a closer above or a closer below this level here before you make a decision on buys or sells. Yeah, but that is gonna be it for me. That's gonna be it for me, guys. That's gonna be it for me. But yeah, we're back again. We're here live every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. Watt. Yeah. So until next time, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe, and stay profitable, guys. Later.